Good morning to everyone. Welcome to kaise. Today in this video we'll see the real user review on BPL 750 watts Mix Master Plus, which is, you can call it as a mixer, juicer, grinder, and also for blending. And it comes with 4 jars. See here, I'll explain each the volume, their capacity and everything. And these are the 4 jars. And before explaining this real user review, I'll be showing you the current availability of this product online. So, and the current price for how much it is available. So just for a moment we'll check that and we'll come back to this video. See here, BPL 750 watts Mix Master Plus, which comes with 4 jars for chutney, dry, wet and juicer also. And if you can observe, first of all we'll check the capacity here. And here it comes with the 1.5 liter jar, this the top one, and dry grinding it is 1 liter, and chutney it is 0.4, means 400 ml, and comes with 1.5 liter juicer. And at the end of the video the user has shown the juicing capacity or the smoothie preparation. You can watch till the end. So let us get back to the video now. So we'll check all the 4 jars and their quality one by one. First of all, the build quality is awesome, and the lid is the transparent, and see here, very tough material. And the user expressed their usage on this product, like for the past 2 years they have been using, and there is zero issues with this BPL Mix Master mixer, juicer, grinder. There is no fault at all. There is not even a single repair, because the build quality is tough and strong. And this is the dry 1 liter one, and this is 400 ml chutney jar. Okay, the other one is the liquidizing one, and this is the juicer. And what we'll do is, now at the end of the video we'll test the juicer. The user has prepared banana juice. So, and there are 3 speed adjustments, 1 2 3, means low, medium and high. You can adjust the speeds. And let us go to this, you can say this is not the juice, but they tried to prepare a banana smoothie. That is where this is Mix Master Plus. You can use as multi-purpose mixer grinder. So once they place at the center of this mixer juicer, if you just turn it on, as this is the transparent jar, you can check the consistency of the juice or the smoothie or something what you are preparing. And just you can pour some water or milk, and then followed by the ice cubes if you want to wish. Then the output is pretty good, and this product is pretty useful. Yeah, you can observe the consistency. Just within seconds the smoothie has been prepared. Yeah, you can check the consistency. Just because of this transparent jar, it is possible to use it as the blender too, and the output is pretty good. So the overall user experience on this product is, they're really satisfied. If you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments.